Hey there, fellow adventurers of the pixelated realms, treasure hunters of nostalgia, and cunning entrepreneurs of the gaming world. If you're like me, you felt the thrill of unboxing a long-last treasure, the rush of that old-school startup screen, and the joy of conquering virtual worlds that still hold a piece of your heart. But here's the twist. What if I told you that beyond the memories lies a world of untapped potential? A world where these relics of the past can turn into a gateway for profit. Welcome to Gravy Flips, the bridge between the timeless allure of classic video games and the art of strategic reselling, along with the resale of furniture and collectibles. Join me in my quest to uncover hidden gems, share stories of our shared gaming history, and transform these treasures into more than just memories. Whether you're a seasoned reseller or on the hunt for rare finds, a collector seeking to expand your collection, or a player eager to relive the magic, this channel can be your haven. Together, we'll dive deep into the art of recognizing value, mastering the art of negotiation, and turning the pages of gaming history into profitable chapters. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey where passion meets profit, hit that subscribe button and let's level up our reselling game.